viewed to this channel may cause food coma, mouth-watering hallucinations. Discretion is advised. View at your own risk. No cap, we're in Santa Ana. We're like with Menina over here.
Hey!
Sipping on her caldo, checking out her brazo.
Bomb. I couldn't wait already.
We're in Santa Ana and I don't even know what time it is. What time is it right now? It's approximately...
It's time for you to eat.
It's time to eat. It's early. We got all this madness, all this goodness over here.
Super bomb. Like Ivan says, bomb.com.
Bombo.com. Check it out, guys. We got some tacos de birria right over here. Ooh, baby. We went to the 99-cent store to get some of this bomb ass consomme, you know. Definitely bomb, especially when you're like hungover. It'll definitely do the job. I didn't bring my camera today. I brought my phone. You know, we ghetto, you know? Straight from the get-go. No cap. Hey, yo.
Tacos, birria tacos. This is what I was craving for the longest time. Finally, Ivan brought me. So bomb. I'm gonna eat this everything.
You gonna eat it with the lemon?
Not the lemon! Stop! Oh my god, it's so soft. Mmm.
Okay, well, hot season, it has onions, cilantro, obviously lemon. And we got some lemons over here, and the broth also has pretty much the same. Look, really good for hungovers, like I said. So
I was expecting more soup, but I guess I'm just...
It is a lot.
I'm greedy.
You're not gonna finish it though.
I am.
I And we're in Santa Ana. It's my time. It's my time and my turn to eat. Look at this bone with so much meat. I wasn't expecting them to give me a bone like this. It has tortillas, but I was expecting it to be just plain. But straight from the get-go, look. And subscribe to my channel, Foodie Fam. We have reached, we're almost close to 1,400. We just need 20 more subs. Ghetto fabuloso.
I can't talk right now. I'm so hungry. It's so good.
The struggle is real. You know, I have a friend. His name is PISUAREZ. You know what he likes to do? He normally likes to get tacos, and he'll normally dip them in the broth. But since I got a bowl, I'm just gonna do this. Dip it nice and wet. Bueno, ya son.
Andamos juntando votos, estamos en trabajo, ya no tenemos para comer.
Do an act of kindness. We're gonna get a young man some food. In Santa Ana, we're gonna get someone something to eat. He's in the back. Hey, hey.
We just did a good deed. We saw this old man who was looking for a job. And I guess he wanted food because he saw us eating all this good food. So, you know, sharing is caring. So, gotta share food with people. Okay? I'm hungry. Go away now.
Go away. Okay, this is a taco truck we went to. It's called La Cascada. What that means in Spanish is La Cascada. In English, it means the waterfall. Super bomb. Here's a man we helped, and we got him some tacos. We are so savage. Look, we asked for a bone Check out all this meat. All this meatiness. Meat so tender, it just comes off the bone. I'm not even sure what part of it is it, but it's tender bender, and we're in front of the 99-cent store. Breakfast time. No cap. Y ahí está. Ahí está, amigo. Mira. Cheque. Unos taquitos de birria, cebollitas caramelizadas, los chiles, el consomé. Ahí aprovecho, amigo. De nada. Check it out, guys. The man we got tacos, he's all the way over there. He's actually enjoying his tacos. We're gonna let him eat, and yeah. We are done eating. No cap, we eat everything. She was craving tacos de birria, and I brought her to this spot in my city. Bamo. So what do you gotta say about them tacos? And what's your review in general?
I don't know. I like it a lot. The meat was very tender. Yeah, you guys should come and try it.
Hey. Well, see you guys. I'll see you guys. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Double click it 2 times to get notifications. We are near 1,400 subscribers. We just need 20 more. Tell a friend. We can all be friends. Galore, Mexiko, go.